Alright, so today, special thanks to this company for their silent oxygen pump. This is the model CN-9064W. They sent this to me to create an unboxing video, so that's what we're going to do. Here's the top, just the company logo. That is the little sticker that's on it. Nothing that's legible there. Silent oxygen pump, some information here. So let's open this on up, see what all we get in here. So, looks like a nice size length of oxygen hose here, and included little instruction guide. Should tell you all the information you need to know, of course. Then, oh wow, look at this. All these little bubblers. Let's take these out. Hold on. All kinds of little goodies. So these are like little, that's like some kind of connector, but some suction cups. Got a couple of suction cups that look like they hold down the cable. Then these little filters. I feel like they're made out of some kind of rock almost. And then two of these. I may have called that a filter. It's not really a filter, but it's just what it feels like. Rocky item. So all of this is included in the package. And that all up there. Then we have, looks like the rest of the item. Yeah, that's it for the box. So this is the actual pump. You got a nice normal plug here. Just plug it right into power. A little bit of information on the bottom. There's where your hoses go in. And looks like this dial turns. So that will essentially do it for this unboxing. This is everything that you would get with this silent oxygen pump. Again, thanks to this company for sending it to us. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.